Hello everyone, Abdullah Sawalha is speaking. Today I'm gonna to talk about how can we add a second language to Windows 10 without rebooting the system. First of all, let's start it directly. You can go to Start, then type Language in the search bar. So you can find an option, it's called Language Settings. We click on Language Settings and you can see in the Language tab we have multiple options. You can see the Windows display, app website, regional, keyboard, speech. And as you can see, if you click on Windows display, you can find we have only the option for the English United States. So the question is, how can I add a second language? For example, if I need a second language to type it, Korean language, French, Arabic, whatever. You can see in the preferred languages, we have a tab to add language. And by the way, you can add it without operating system media. We can click on add language and you can find a list of the languages or available languages on this system. For example, if you want to add, for example, a French language, you can click on or search on French and you can see a list of French language based on countries. And please bear in your mind that we have some icons on the right. So if you can see, for example, in the Francis, Belgium, you have two icons. The first one, it's like a icon, and the second one for the handwriting. And for Francis or French Canada, you can find multiple icons. What this icon is means, it means that what is the options that you can gain once you download this language. For example, A, it means display language, or text to speech, speech recognition, and handwriting. French Canada, you can gain all of these options, but for the Belgium, for example, you can not only have the display language and handwriting language. This option is also available in the other languages. For example, Arabic language, you can see some of the languages. Arabic, for example, Egypt, you can have only display language and text to speech. Some of them you have only the display languages. Let's, for example, choose Arabic, Saudi Arabia, for example, and click next. And the second language, you can find install the language, and you can, by the way, use the options to, after installing the language bank, you can set as my Windows display languages. Let's use it later. Do not set it right now. And we can click right now to install. And it will take couple of seconds before it's complete. You can see the progress under the Arabic Saudi Arabia spending. And here we go. The second language Saudi Arabia installed successfully, and you can change the order by clicking in the upper arrow. The second thing that we want to check, as you can see, the all the settings, the bars, the menus, the tab are in English language. So how can I change it to other language? You can see Windows Display, it's in English. So you can click right now on the Windows Display language and change it to Arabic language, for example. The pop-up message appears setting Windows display language. It's need to sign out in order to fully apply the language. So we have to click yes. It will sign out to deploy the settings. And now, as we can see, the display language changes. Another second, the display language changes to the Arabic language. سلة المحذوفات. Now start menu, it's changed also with Arabic language, and it's called, you can see it's now start, and search here is al-bahth. And you can see in the taskbar the language parts also. You can anytime change the language. How can I revert back? I can do the same thing. You can go to the same language bars and you can type on the display language. It's then we need to change to English, United States. It will ask again to sign out, and after signing in, we again back to the English display language. As we can see, start menu again, and I can search back to the language settings. You can see it's back to the preferred languages, and you can change the options for the religion formats, speech, keyboard, other settings. Anytime you want to remove any preferred languages, you can just click on that language and click on remove the language, and the language, it will be disappear, and only you can have the preferred language that you want. You can add more than languages as like you want. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share, and thanks for watching.